Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today we will talk about Christmas decoration ideas and that will make our homes warm, happy and full of love. Christmas is not only about lights and gifts. It is about feelings, kindness and togetherness. And Christmas decorations brings smiles to faces and peace to hearts. When we decorate our homes, we spread joy not only inside the house but also outside to neighborhoods and guests. A well decorated home shows care, creativity, and positivity and beautiful thinking. And decoration with Christmas lights, soft, warm light, and very look beautiful and calming. They remind us that even small lights can remove darkness from our lives. Always choose simple lights instead of too many brights. Once too much decoration and you can feel heavy, and simple and neat decoration look classy and peaceful, and it teaches us balance in life. A Christmas tree is the heart of decoration. A green tree with shiny ornaments looks lovely and fresh. It reminds us to stay strong and hopeful even in cold and hard times. Decorate the tree with love, not competition. Do not try to copy others. Your tree should show your own style and happiness. This teaches us to be ourselves. Use red, green, and gold colors for a traditional look. These colors bring warmth and joy. They also remind us of love, nature, and blessing. Handmade decorations are very special. When you make something with your own hands, it hands it has true value. This teaches us that effort is more important than money. You can use paper stars, ribbons, and small bells. These simple items look beautiful and meaningful. They remind us that beauty comes from simplicity. Decorating windows with lights or show stickers make the home look welcoming. It shows that your happiness is open for others to see and share. Candles are a symbol of peace and hope. Use safe candles or LED candles to decorate tables. They teach us to stay calm and gentle. Always think about safety while decorating. Do not overload plugs or place lights near water. This is a good lesson that beauty should never risk safety. Christmas wreaths on doors look very elegant. They welcome guests with warmth and respect. They teach us to welcome people with open hearts. Use natural items like pine cones and leaves. Nature-based decoration feels fresh and real. It reminds us to respect and protect nature. And table decoration is also important. A clean table with a small decoration looks lovely. It teaches us clean lines and care. And use soft music and decorations together. Decoration is not only what we see but also what we feel. This teaches us to create a full happy environment. Do not waste too much money on decorations. Celebrate within your budget. This teaches us gratitude and smart living. Include children in decorating, let them help and share ideas. This builds family bonding and teaches teamwork. Well, decorations like cards and Christmas messages, spirit positive. Thoughts, good words can change moods and hearts. Use recycled item for decoration. This is good for the environment and teaches us responsibility. And outdoor decoration should be simple and clean. A few lights and a small figure look elegant. This teaches us that less is more. Center decorations bring fun and happiness. They remind us of giving and kindness. Always keep your decoration theme clear. Matching colors and style look more beautiful. This teaches us planning and organization. Do not compare your decoration with others. Every home is beautiful in its own way. This teaches us safe, respect, and confidence. Use soft fabric like red cushions or blankets. They make the home cozy and warm, just like love should be. Take time to clean before decorating. Clean space makes decorations shine more. This teaches discipline. Smell is also is important. Use light fragrance or cinnamon scent. Good smell brings comfort and happiness. Keep decorations meaningful, not just fancy meaningful things. Stay in hearts longer. Remember, friends, that Christmas decoration is not a show, it is an expression of joy. Be honest and simple. Share your decoration ideas with friends and neighbors. Sharing happiness increases joy. Always thank God for what you have. Gratitude is the best decoration of the heart. Take photos, but do not forget to enjoy the moment. Real memories are made in heart, not cameras. Keep decoration neat till the end of Christmas. This shows care and responsibility. When Christmas ends, pick decoration carefully. This teaches us respect for our belongings. Teach Teach children the meaning of Christmas. Not only decoration, values are more important than items. Smile while decorating. A happy face is the most beautiful decoration. Forgive and forget during Christmas. A clean heart is better than a decorated home. Help someone in need alone with decorating. Kindness is the true spirit of Christmas. Pray for peace and love in the world. Decoration look best with prayers. In the end, remember that Christmas decoration are not about perfection, but about love, peace, and happiness. Decorate your home with care, your heart with kindness, and your life with good thoughts. Happy Christmas to everyone, and may your home always shine with joy. And thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. And do let me know which craft and decoration ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos. It's a very beautiful, amazing, gorgeous, highly demanding, and very creative Christmas home decoration ideas. Hope you like all ideas in collection, and please give a feedback and subscribe my channel. Enjoy the party. Hope you like all ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.